Hello there. So you want to know how you can use the Indeed salary tool. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for Indeed. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now all you need to do in order to use the salary tool is just click on find salaries right over here, and now look for what you are. So as you can see, server has an average salary of 51k a year. Warehouse associate has this much, human resource specialist, business analyst, and many more. So if you go ahead and select on business analyst, you can also go ahead and check pay per year, pay per hour, pay per day, and many more. As you can see, there you go, and that is the average. As you can see, you can also go ahead and select the location right over here, and now you can also see the business analyst job openings in United States right over here. So Amazon also has one, and a bunch of other also have it open. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and select on Amazon or Nashville. So you can simply go ahead and apply on company's site by logging into your account, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.